Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the MACD leader indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post-trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the MACD leader indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 97 different strategies, with 28 of them being winners. The best one so far we're able to achieve an 84% win rate. We've also tested a total of 916 indicators, with 382 of them being winners. The best one so far we're able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 106 of the winning indicators. 38 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now, if you are interested in a full list of these strategies and indicators along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. Keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the MACD leader indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so in the original testing, this did 11 trades within the 1 year's time with a 72% win rate. And so we did keep this on the daily time frame with the default take profit and stop. You can see here. And so in the original testing, what we were looking for was when the MACD leader line here crosses down below the dashed zero line or crosses up above the dashed zero line. They go in and bump up the line weight of that zero line, that dashed line, just a little bit to make it easier to see. But when we get across to the upside, that was a signal to go long. When we get across to the downside, that was a signal to go short. For example, right here, you can see that we get a cross from the upside back to the downside of the zero line there. And you can see that we make a decent little push to the downside here. That would have been enough to get us to our take profit right there. And then right here, you can see that we make a cross from the downside up to the upside of the zero line there. And again, a nice push to the upside there, also getting us to our take profit. That's how we tested it in the original testing, and that's how we tested it here in the advanced testing. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced test, and then we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what it was able to achieve in that advanced testing. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the advanced testing here. And so we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 30 winning trades and 20 losing trades. And so that is going to put us at the 60% criteria, right on the nose there. And so all in all, this indicator did all right. I think there was a little bit of an issue with the stop and take profit being a little tight. And so I do think that that did kind of mess with the results a little bit. Also, it seemed to kind of have a little bit of an issue when there was gaps or kind of some strange activity in the market. For example, let's see, where was it? Right here. You can see these big massive bars right here that were kind of spiking around, and it definitely didn't like that much. And you can see that here in this cluster, that's what I was pointing out there, is that we had a gap down from the week prior to the open of this week, and it just kind of stalled it out for a minute and had it bouncing up and down on that zero line. And so I think if this was used or filtered out by at least one other indicator to help filter out those issues, then it would definitely do a lot better than it did. I don't like the fact that it dropped so significantly, but from 11 trades to 50, I guess it was kind of to be expected, but definitely wish it had a little bit of a better win rate. But nonetheless, it is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next video from here.